woke up after surgery, quite groggy there for a little bit. I guess took a few minutes to get your bearings around, but I just felt no pain. Little discomfort where my incision is. I guess really that's the only bit of pain that's there. Like my back, I don't feel a thing. I don't feel. Oh, next best thing to a miracle, I guess. Man, I'm so happy. This is done and over with. A little bit of rehabilitation to come yet. I had, this is first morning after the surgery. Had a physiotherapist in here already this morning, had me up on my feet, and got to go for a little walk around the room and down the hall, and I'm back, and I was good to go more, but he said, he's told me no, we'll save a little bit for later, and he made me get back in bed, but I feel like I'm ready to go. When I first stood up, I was very, very happy. I stood up without no pain, and I guess the water work started right immediately. Man, I'm just so happy to have this done. I'm kind of lost for words right now. Usually I have all kinds to say. Man, I just, like everybody says, I wish I could have been here sooner. We got a few days here, and, get a little bit of rehabilitation and get back up on our feet and stuff. And, once I head back home, man, she's game on. I'm ready to get back into my life. I missed out on so much for so long, especially with my kids and everything else. And I want my life back. It's the bottom line. I want my life back. And I got light at the end of the tunnel now. Yeah, I had surgery, 9 days ago. The day I come out of surgery was, it was amazing. I was taking upon myself to grab one of them walkers there for the first couple of days and just get myself up and going. And I took the first few steps pain-free, man, and I didn't want to stop. So, I was going. I was going places. So every day I was up and I was pacing those halls up and down, getting the muscles stronger. You're not coming out of this operation totally pain-free, right in day one. The pain that I was dealing with my back, the pinched nerves and everything, that was gone. You still had pain, you get an incision. That was probably about the sorest part of me. Other than that, it's the muscles and ligaments. My back was like this, my bottom two discs, and they put two discs in, which stretch everything back out. So of course, all my muscles and ligaments that were compressed for so long as well, they were now kind of stretched to the max. That's the biggest thing is getting those tendons and everything all stretched back out and to a comfortable position.
It's been 8 months since my surgery, and I'm doing great. My back feels great. I have a bit of, muscle and tissue pain still that, still got some stretching and whatnot for the muscles and the ligaments and whatnot. But as far as my back goes, I'm moving and I'm going. I'm a rocking and rolling now. How it was before surgery, I just pretty much lamed right up. I didn't move around too much. What I did move, it was pretty much constant pain. I walked hunched over, dragging pretty much my left leg behind me. It hurt for me to walk normal. It would pinch the nerves. Versus now I'm cruising. I did. The girlfriend says she has a hard time staying with me now. She says, I almost could get her pair of rollerblades and tow her along behind just so she could stay with me. So, I feel great. Like I say, a little bit of tissue healing and stuff still to go and whatnot, but I'm pretty much back to me again, I guess.